everyone, Ricky here from Tech Talk. Thanks very much for joining us. Today we're going to go through the sound and vision on the HTC Desire 530. Massive thank you to Vodafone for sending me out this great phone. Let's have a look and see how it sounds and looks today. So for my first test, we're going to watch a movie trailer, as you all might know now from my videos. So today we're going to jump into the Google Play Store. We're going to go into entertainment, movies and TV shows. Sliding down, they've actually got a bit of a Disney section here. And I thought we'd watch Wreck-It Ralph.
Ralph. I can fix it! 30 years I've been doing this. It starts to feel hard to love your job when no one else seems to like you for doing it. Sure must be nice being the good guy. Nice share, Ralph. I don't want to be the bad guy anymore. Ralph abandoned his game.
Welcome to Game Central Station. Trains for all game destinations now boarding.
Everything changes now.
You're not from here, are you?
Ralph, your game jumper.
Why are your hands so freakishly big?
I don't know. Why are you so freakishly annoying? Get out of this game, buddy!
Are you a hobo?
Listen, I try to be nice.
Nice.
You're mimicking.
You're mimicking me.
That is rude, and this conversation is over.
So that was Wreck-It Ralph there. If you haven't seen that, go and check that out. It's available here on the Google Play Store, iOS, iTunes Store and all other stores, and also Blu-ray and DVDs. Go and check that out. So it's really good to see. Let's move on to the music side. So music-wise, I've gone to the 100% Clubland. I like listening to this because it gives us a real good bass feel and a real good dance feel to see how well the speakers cope. And then I've got some royalty-free music on YouTube as well to listen to. So let's first of all jump in with this track. So on top here, you'll find your 3.5 jack for your headphones. Through headphones, the phone is always going to sound slightly better. HTC have put their boom sound on here, which I thought was going to be on both sides, but it's only down at the bottom. But at least it's not downward facing or backward facing. So it's at the front, it's going to sound good. Make sure you do not cover that up. And let's go and check out that royalty-free music on YouTube now, so give you a little bit of a difference. So I thought it sounded really good. There was not too much tinniness to it. It didn't seem too trapped, and the bass sounded really well for this phone. Remember, these are only pay-as-you-go phones, or the lower end of a contract. So here is our royalty-free music. Let's listen to this. So that was the sound and vision on the HTC Desire 530. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know how you think it sounds. It sounds really good. For a pay-as-you-go phone and HTC's lower end of the market compared to their HTC 10, it is going to be slightly different, but the power and performance is in that, and it does sound really good as well. Like I said, it's not downward facing. It doesn't sound trapped. With a 3.5 jack as well, it's going to sound a lot better through the headphones. So I want to give a thumbs up for the video, please, and subscribe as well for all our latest videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye for now.